Welcome back to Ctube channel. Today we talk about why PPR pipes are a popular choice for water supply system. One of the main reasons is their excellent durability. PPR pipes do not rust or corrode, making them suitable for long-term use in different environments. They are also designed for hot and cold water applications, maintaining stable performance under varying temperatures. Another important advantage is their hygienic performance. PPR pipes are made from non-toxic materials and have smooth inner surface, which help keep water clean and safe during transportation. In addition, PPR pipes are connected by heat fusion, creating strong and leak-resistant joints that improve system reliability. Compared to traditional metal pipes, PPR pipes are lighter, easier to install, and require less maintenance. Ctube provides high-quality PPR piping solutions designed to meet different project needs. Thanks for watching. If you have project requirements, feel free to contact us.